Home sales continued to evolve at a pace similar to last year's in Metro Vancouver's housing market in March. Let's take a closer look. Realtors registered just over 2,000 residential home sales in March. That's a 3% decrease from this time last year and nearly 32% below the 10-year average for the month. On the supply side, nearly 5,800 homes were listed on the MLS in March, a 10% decrease compared to this time last year, and a 5% increase over the 10-year March average. With fewer sellers coming into the market continuing through March, inventory levels are remaining relatively flat. March finished with nearly 14,800 homes listed for sale on the MLS, just 2% more than this time last year, and 38% above the 10-year average. To get a better understanding of supply and demand in this market, we use the sales to active listings ratio. This ratio measures the homes available for sale against the number of homes sold throughout the month to get an idea of supply and demand. Analysis of historical data suggests downward pressure on home prices occurs when this ratio dips below 12% for a sustained period. Home prices often experience upward pressure when it surpasses 20% over several months. March ended with this ratio at 14%. By property type, the ratio is 11% for detached, 17% for attached, and 16% for apartments. The MLS HPI benchmark price for all housing types in Metro Vancouver in March sits at $1,104,000, down 7% from last year. By property type, detached homes are at a benchmark price of $1,855,000, townhomes at $1,047,000, and apartments at $707,000. While multifamily properties continue to see slower sales, the detached home market may be awakening with sales up and new listings down from last year. We'll be watching to see if that trend continues. For further housing market information, go to the Market Watch section of our website.